Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking on Demand. Today I am sharing with you guys how to make my Haitian Epis recipe. This one is specific to marinating meat because I did add a lot of acidic ingredients in there such as the lime, the lemon, vinegar, and also the sour orange.